If you want to flip vertically in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to do it using a simple menu option, and I'll also show you a handy shortcut alternative with free transform. This is perfect if you want to flip an image, a layer, text, or part of a design upside down without losing quality or having to start over. If this video helps, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more fast Photopea tutorials. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me make more step-by-step guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure the layer you want to flip is selected in the Layers panel. This is important because Photopea will only apply the flip to the active layer or selected object. If you have multiple layers, double check that you're working on the correct one before making any changes. Now, if you want to flip the layer vertically using the quickest method, go up to the top menu and look for the edit options. Depending on what you're editing, you may be able to use a direct flip command there. But if you want the shortcut alternative, here's the method you asked for, and it works very well. With your layer selected, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T on Windows or Command plus Option plus T on Mac. This will put your layer into free transform mode. You'll notice a bounding box appear around the object on your canvas. That box tells you that the layer is ready to be transformed, resized, rotated, or flipped. Next, right-click anywhere inside that bounding box. Make sure your cursor is inside the transform area, not outside it, because that's what brings up the transformation menu. Once the menu appears, look for the option that says Flip Vertically. Click it, and Photopea will instantly flip your layer upside down on the vertical axis. After that, if everything looks correct, press Enter or click the check mark at the top to apply the transformation. That locks in the change and confirms the flip. If you decide you want to adjust it further, you can always undo with Ctrl plus Z or Command plus Z and try again. This method is especially useful when you want more control over your design workflow. For example, you can flip product mockups, graphics, icons, or even text elements as part of a layout. It's also a great workaround if you're already in the middle of scaling or rotating something and you want to flip it without switching tools. One quick tip: if you're flipping a text layer or a shape layer, make sure the result still looks the way you want after the flip. Sometimes the object may need to be repositioned slightly after being mirrored vertically. That's completely normal, and it only takes a second to fix. So to recap, select your layer, use Ctrl plus Alt plus T on Windows or Command plus Option plus T on Mac. Right-click inside the transform box, choose Flip Vertically, and then press Enter to apply it. That's the fastest way to flip vertically in Photopea. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.